What good with it? Today I'm just doing something. Alright, I'm showing y'all what I be ordering from Angelus and all that kind of stuff. So I'm just gonna do a little unboxing, man. Something quick and light, just so y'all can see my face, cause I know you like me. You know, yeah. I'm just playing, but I'm just gonna show y'all what I got, man. I mean, I'ma open it anyway, so I might well share it with my dog. Them, it be squad. You know, yeah. But let me go ahead and bust him out the wrapper. Sell it to a trapper. I just need one slice of that, yeah. Good packaging. I like that. Yeah. Sent your boy big stickers. That gold guy. Hold on, is he grilling? Hold on, slug up then one time. Check him out. Hold up. Come on, focus, bro. Focus, camera. Oh, you tripping. There you go. My dog slugged up. I like it. Yeah, it's going on a while. Okay, here's a little list of what I... Hold on! Big sloth! That boy look like he on something though. I ain't gonna lie. Look like a fine case of the Zoe. The boy on that dog food or something. That ain't it. That ain't it. Oh snap! They caught in the little lace loud junk. I did order some shoestrings and I forgot about that. Yeah, I ordered some shoestrings so. Oh, it's the air freshener? I don't know. I might have just looked a little dumb on camera shit. They ain't smelling anymore because they ain't got no smell. But it just look like an air freshener though. So, oh yeah, I needed these. I want to test these out because I'm gonna show y'all the shoes I'm gonna throw these junks in. These like the Union One laces. You know how they got like that, like half of it is black and then half of it like the little cream or whatever. I'm finna show y'all the shoes. I'm finna throw them junks in. They right here. Bam! I think it gon' hold on, man. I got the back. I think it gon' slap. You know what I'm saying? You know, brand spanking new and all that kind of stuff. So I think they gon' hit hard with these junks. Let me put these back for y'all. Oh snap! Let me see what else I got. Oh yeah, I got some more. Just like the little cream, all the way cream laces, or whatever, off white, if you will. And then I got the pink. I had to get these because I'm customizing me some shoes. So I mean y'all know my favorite color, pink. So yeah, fire red. I use a lot of it, a whole lot of it. Oh, beauty at its finest. Amazon green. Hold on, focus for me, please. It ain't focused, but take my word for it. What we get this time? Oh yeah, Jamaican Joy. The art store that I be getting my paint from in Memphis doesn't sell the Jamaican Joy, so I went on and ordered that joint. What else we get? What else? Oh, yeah, and they have the like flaming orange. What we talking about? Yeah, they had the flaming orange in the art store, but it's like in the 1 ounce. So I caught the 4 ounce this time. Then oh my goodness. What is that? That's that candy paint. Oh, come on now, focus up for me, Shy. Come on now. But it's like candy paint. This is the glitter. I just tried to order some different stuff a little bit too. Then I got the what's this? Pacific blue. This is one of the pearlescent colors. Come on now, focus up. There we go. One of the pearlescent junks. I got an idea for these, so I needed to go on and cop that little junk. The reason I cop a big one is because it's just an idea for me, and I'll order more in the future. Sunset yellow, like I've been saying this whole time. The art store I buy my stuff from in Memphis don't have the sunset yellow in the 4 ounce, so I had to go on and snack that guy, boy. Mahogany leather dye Man, come on, bruh. Man, you tripping. Yeah, you tripping. But yeah, I got the mahogany because they didn't have that red. The red was sold out, so this was the next best thing. I'm gonna test this out. I haven't used the mahogany color yet. I've used the ox blood. I think I used the ox blood red. And I used the regular red. So now I'm about to try this mahogany out, see how I like that. Then I've been needing this for a while. This is one of my favorite dyes from Angelus. The come on now, focus for me, please. Sometime. There we go. The purple. I really love the purple. It's strong and like it lays on real good and full. So I really love that purple, and it's a beautiful purple. I got turquoise. Like I said, I'm trying new things. So come on, Shy. Just take my word for it. It's turquoise and dye. So I'm trying new things. I got a couple of little projects that I think I want to dye and all that kind of stuff. A couple of pairs of Jordan 11s, and got some laser 4s over here. Some 1s with a translucent outside. So I just got a couple dyes that just to try some things out. Some new designs and all that. And something I've been needing but been putting it off for a little minute. Honestly, the little airbrush cleaner pot. You know, you spray that little in there and clear everything out your airbrush and keep on working. So yeah, I went on and caught one of these. A while back I was about to get one from Harbor Freight, but I ended up not getting it. So I saw it and I was like, man, go ahead and get it. And then as you see, it got like a yeah, oh shoot, come on now. It got like a see an airbrush holder and everything attached to it. Bam bam buggity. You know, yeah. All that good stuff. So I went on and snatched this one up, and they threw me another little goodie, a little lanyard, you know what I'm saying? I need to put this on my key because I be losing my key. I don't even know where them joints at. Sometimes I had to stay at the house because I can't find my keys. You know, yeah. But that's it, man. That's all I got for today. Hopefully y'all enjoyed the video. Enjoyed kicking it with me for a little while. You know what I'm saying? I'm finna get back to some shoes. I'm not gonna record these shoes because I gotta pump some orders out real quick and get a lot of shoes done. But I will be dropping some more videos of me painting, and whatever y'all want me to talk about, just put it in the comments. Whatever y'all need help with, put it in the comments. Let me know how I can assist you, because I'm your dog. You my dog, you know, yeah. Like the video and join the squad. You hear me? Hey, that little 10K is gonna be a 5 giveaway. Balls. So man, subscribe to the channel and I'ma catch you.